Hi, my name is Lito. Today we will talk about, do we need Photoshop for our pictures and portfolio of perm makeup artists? There are many perm makeup artists now on the market, and now what you can see competition between them, and you can see that client also choosing the perm makeup artist. And what happened right now? A lot of perm makeup artists now using Photoshop, and they using it a lot. They doing Photoshop of all their pictures. And what the problem? There is no reality right now in social media, in Instagram, Facebook, and another social medias like TikTok, etc. And what we can see that clients cannot see how they will look after procedure and how the perm makeup will heal after procedure. And now I would like to talk with you about all this topic, who would like to use Photoshop, who don't like to use Photoshop, and at the end of this video I will tell you my opinion and my decision and my experience about this, and I will share with you my vision about Photoshop. I will be happy if you like this video right now and subscribe to my channel and support me on website Buy Me a Coffee, and I will enjoy 1 cup of coffee from you. Thank you so much in advance. Now we will talk about masters and clients who like to use Photoshop and who would like to see their beautiful pictures in social media. Why client would like to see? Because client would like to see better result on the face, because client would like to find and book appointment with perm makeup artist who has very beautiful social media page, right? But when it's happened, what can be after healing? You have to first of all think about what will be in future. And reality is right now that all clients, they don't want to understand that the social media, it's not how it will look in real life and how it will look on your face. That's why you can look at portfolio of your master, and you have to think about why this master doing just photo and not showing the video. Why? Because not everybody would like to Photoshop the video. That's why they're posting on Instagram and Facebook just pictures, and they don't want to create short video. Why masters are using a lot of Photoshop? Because they would like to get more clients. And this is the reason why a lot of masters of perm makeup are using different programs to improve their pictures and to hide something on the skin and create something different from another masters. And masters looking at another pages of different masters, and they would like to be like another masters. This is the reason why you can see on Instagram and Facebook different type of pictures, and some master using Photoshop and some not using Photoshop. Let's talk about client and masters who understand what does it mean Photoshop and who is booking appointment not because of social media. They are booking appointment with master who is very professional and who has recommendations. The best idea for the client is word of mouth recommendations, and they can see their friend with perm makeup on the faces. They can see healed eyebrows, eyes and lips, and then they book an appointment. Usually these clients are not using social media a lot, and they are not choosing the perm makeup artist just to follow their pages. Usually they are asking recommendations from their friends, and they would like to see the healed result first on their faces. About masters. Some masters are very experienced and they are in beauty industry long time, and they have a lot of clients, and they don't have time to use Photoshop, Lightroom, Facetune, Snapseed and another different program which can create and improve the skin of the client, etc. They are saving their times. And second, why they are not using their improvement on their pictures? Because they would like to show the client reality. And this masters is honest with the client, and they showing different ages, they are showing different skin with problem and oily skin without problem, and different type of difficulties with the skin, different shapes, because not all our client has thick, beautiful lips, right? Some of them have thin lips, and some of them have very big or very small and thin eyebrows. That's why this master, they just show in reality how it's look like. And now I will share with you my opinion about this topic. In my opinion, I like to share with my clients reality. I like to take short videos, and client can see how it's look after procedure and how it's look after healing process. I prefer to use just color correction or maybe just a little bit improve the skin in Snapseed. But I think it's not honest with your client when you are using a lot of Photoshop for the skin, and then the result for this client will be not this what they were expecting to get from you. What I recommend for the client? First of all, when you choosing your prompt makeup artist, look at their pages. It can be some videos, it can be photos without filters and with Photoshop. It's good that masters are showing the reality sometimes, and you will understand that it will be better for you. Then you will go and book an appointment with the master, and it will be totally what you didn't want. And this master just doing very good Photoshop for the photo, but not doing very good pictures. Also, I would like to tell you that some prompt makeup artists, they are using professional service from photographers, and photographers doing photoshopping for their pictures. That's why you have to be very careful when you're choosing the prompt makeup artists. I would like to make some recommendations for the masters. It's good if you have knowledge about different programs, but you always have to think about improvement course and also always improve your skills in prompt makeup. It's not like you took just 1 or 2 courses and you now can do everything what you would like. No, you always have to study, you always have to participate in some new master classes and trainings. It will be good for your professional skills. That's why concentrate it more on your work, on your latex work, on your practice, on your service for the client, and less time on the program where you can hide imperfections and hide some problem with your works. You can take private course, individual course, just for one technique, or you can look on the online prompt makeup courses. It's also helpful. And honestly, you also can look on my YouTube videos and you can learn a lot for free. And sure, I will be happy to see you on my online prompt makeup courses. You always have to learn and practice because practice makes it perfect, right? On my social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube as well, you can see reality. I'm taking a lot of video without any filters because I would like to teach you, I would like to show how procedure is making. And all our ladies, they're not perfect, and we all have some difficulties with skin, we all have some imperfections in our skin. That's why I try to make mostly reality photo and videos and collages from the photo. And when you are doing some correction, try to do correction just for the color correction or skin, or maybe remove some mustaches, just a little bit, not like you doing something for magazine, for fashion magazine, and you're doing just glossy pictures. Sure, sometimes you can do it. It will be better connection for you with your client if you will mix the real photo without any filters and photo with some filters and some Photoshop. And you can even indicate in your post that on these pictures you did some photo correction and on this one you didn't use any filters. It will be honest for your client, and your client will support you, and they will appreciate that you're showing the truth for them. And you will not have a problem with your client after, because if your social media pages it's looking amazing and then you are doing not very good work, then they will understand and they will not recommend you to their friend, and their friend will not come to your studio because you did something wrong. That's why what I recommend for you, just first of all, do your job well. Your works have to be perfect. You have to improve your skills. You have to take some additional perfection courses and online prompt makeup courses, and sometimes you can use Photoshop for marketing. Yeah, it's true for marketing, but not all your pictures have to be like glossy, like Photoshop, etc. Also, I would like to share with you some of my stories from YouTube life. Sometimes I can read in the comments that why you are not choosing the beautiful models for your videos, and why this lady has some problem with skin, why you take her for procedure and you take in a video. And this is reality, ladies. That's why I'm always answering about that I don't want to take just models, because 95% of us has some imperfections, and we all real. We are women. We have to respect each other. I'm not dividing my client on beautiful one and not beautiful. That's why I'm taking all videos and all pictures, and for me it doesn't matter this lady is young or this lady is old. If it's good content will be for my client or it will be useful content for my students, I'm taking the video and I'm asking permission from my clients to take a video. That's why, please, if you would like to support me in my decision that I am showing for you my work, I am sharing with you my experience, and I am doing it for free on YouTube. And please support me, just leave your comments, I love this job, or your work amazing, or something like that. I will very appreciate. And even my clients, sometimes they're reading the comment, if they can see that somebody leave comments about how it's fit her face, she always happy. And via this video I would like to support the prompt makeup artist who is posting real photo, who is showing reality, and who is telling the truth about prompt makeup to the client. Prompt makeup artist has to educate the client, explain everything in details, how it's healed, how it will look like, and why on some pictures it's looking one way and on another pictures it's looking another way. and client will understand why it's happened in social media, and they will appreciate that you're honest with them and you explaining in details everything what they would like to know, and when you answering on all their questions. Hope you like this video, and if you would like to tell me something about what do you think about these topics, please leave a comment in the description below, and I will be happy to read your comments and messages. What do you think? How it's better for you? Are you a master or your client? And what will be your preference? Would you like to see just photoshopped work, or would you like to see reality, or you would like to see mix of reality and Photoshop work? I would like to have some feedback from you, and if you like this video, please like this video, and I will appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and support me via website Buy Me a Coffee, and I will enjoy the coffee and think about my subscribers who supported me. And thank you for watching this video, and see you soon. Bye bye. Amazing coffee.